Hello parents, as you can see, today's video is going on to be on the three-letter words. Before the kids read the three-letter words, they should know about some blends that we will discuss in this video today. Right? So, the first step towards reading the three-letter words are a sound words. Okay? For that, you have to learn these blends. A, B, A, A, G, ag, a, 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 an, a, t, at, a, ar. So, to read the three-letter words, these blends are necessary. These are the first steps towards reading the three-letter words. Let's revise it. A, b, a, g, ag, a, am, a, an, a, t, at, a, ar, a, p, ap, a, d, at. So these are the basic things of reading the three-letter words. The next step I'll be discussing in the next video.